peeps? This is my first review on this channel, my airsoft collection channel. The first gun I'm gonna review is a pistol. It's a compact pistol. It's called Z1 Compact Adaptive Pistol BK. This is the packaging. It comes in this pack. Let's open it. By the way, it comes with an orange strip. I removed it when I got it, so don't think that it comes with no orange strip. It ships with an orange strip attached to the gun already. You just gotta take it out. Just put it in hot water or boiling hot water for a couple minutes, and the glue should take off, and just pull it off. Here's the gun. See, it comes in a nice little packaging. The CO2. So it takes CO2 gas, CO2 cartridges. My bad for my talking. This is my first review, so I'm very gonna get used to this. Black mixed with gray color, like it's in the between. Pretty clean. I'll show you the mag. It's a full drop out magazine. Pretty heavy. Not cheap at all. Haven't shot any BBs to it, so I don't know how it performs. Gonna see soon when I buy gas. This is the gun. See, compact adaptive pistol. It's really thin. Like, this shit's really thin. Look how thin that shit is. Feels good in hands. Let me get you a bit. Really good in the hands. This is just a nice little pistol. I'm not gonna go too much in depth, but it's a quick review. Like this, let me see the camera. I can aim at the camera. This perfect. That's the sides. It's like brown, yellow. Not really. Yeah, like a brown, golden. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. I take polymer frame and a metal slide, I think, or aluminum slide. I think that's what the specs are. Feels good. Nice built too. You could feel strip this. I'm not gonna do it because it's a pain in the ass, but not really. It's like a Glock. You just put the two levers down right here. Put two levers down and put it on. You know, simple stuff. Magazine fits tight in there, really snug. Not a bad pistol, you ask me. No? Nice and curly. It's nice. The color is nice. The feel is nice. The quality is nice. I paid a good price for this. It was on sale, so for its price, this is a good pistol. I haven't shot it yet, so don't come at me for the performance if you do end up getting it. You know? But hey, it's at evac.com. That's where I got it at. If you're located in US, that's in Alhambra. You should go check them out. They have good stuff there. A ton of stuff for airsoft if you're into airsoft. But yeah, that's just gonna wrap up the video. I'm gonna be releasing more. I also picked up an AR-15 that takes Glock mags and it's a short barrel. I'll do a review on that soon too. But this is my first review, just a little quick one to see how it feels. You know, more coming on the way. drop me a like, subscribe if you could. It'll help a lot. I appreciate it. I'm trying to at least get to 1,000 subscribers so I can start bringing more content for you. So I can start bringing more content to this channel, you know, see what's up. But for now, I'm spending my own money. Right now, Ninja Malo out. I hope you like the video. This is the Z1 Compact Adaptive Pistol. Give you guys one more review of it. A little quick view. A little showcase. Pretty clean, if you ask me. But pretty clean. But yeah. Laters. Deuces.